Foster Honda 19 Showdown from Springfield, Illinois, Brenton Patterson in the 5. Row 2 on the outside from out of Middleton, Illinois in the 44J, it's Carter Johnson. And the Carter's outside, you got to give him the Hard Luck Award tonight. From the Gateway of the West, St. Louis, Missouri, Harrison Roberts in the number 11. This is your junior animal for the quarter midget division feature event. No? I believe they jumped up on me. Senior animal. Where did we lose them? Senior animal coming out for 15. This is your senior animal. Here they come. The girls are going at it. Warnell in the 28, Ashcroft in the 21. Georgia Warnell, and man alive, is she got the hammer down. Looks like they've been tuning up on that thing all evening long in your senior animal division. Georgia Warnell looking strong, opening up almost a half a lap lead over Merrimee Ashcraft's number 21. 5 down, 10 to go as they flashed on the past start-finish line. Young lady from Trenton, Illinois has got it dialed in on the bull ring tonight. And she is absolutely flawless in this senior animal feature. 9 down, 6 to go. Warnell maintaining that straightaway plus advantage over Ashcraft. White flag will be coming out for Georgia Warnell, this time by in that 28. Only one more circuit around. Capturing a Lowe boat trophy, Georgia Warnell will take your senior animal feature event of the evening. Making it look easy from Trenton, Illinois. The young lady's got a big, heavy right foot. I knew it wouldn't take long for Mom to get out here. Ladies and gentlemen, show her some love here in Lebanon. Give her a round of applause. Georgia Warnell, your winner of the senior animal for the quarter midget.